Hello, hello. I'm on my way home to see my dad because he's going to help me make Eric's Christmas present this year. Yeah, I hope he likes it. I guess we'll see. Rock and roll. Let's do this. Baby! Hi, baby! What you doing? I miss you! You like it at Grandma's house or Mommy's house? It's just me, no Eric. No Eric, just Mommy. Just Mommy. Where's Twinkie? Hey, where you going? Where you going? Oh my goodness. I just got to my parents' house, and me and my dad are going to try and make Eric's Christmas present. What? So Eric's currently at a Christmas dinner with his family for his mom's work place for the Christmas party, and I decided it's perfect time to come down to my parents' house for my dad to help me with Eric's Christmas present. So I already told him what I wanted to do. I want to make, hey, sit down, no kisses. I want to make a pegboard, but like make it nice so Eric can hang up his Hot Wheels, because right now he collects them, but they're all in a box in the garage since we've moved, and he doesn't seem very interested in displaying them, but because I'm sure he doesn't know how to, but that's what he has me for, so I'm gonna make one for him, and me and my dad are going to head to Home Depot right now to go get all the supplies. Yeah. Pegboard, 4x8 feet. I'm gonna paint it with chalkboard paint. See how many we can fit. There we go. I'm gonna buy this frame to frame the pegboard so it looks nicer.
These sheets are 4x8, right?
Alright, we're cutting it now down to the size we need so we don't have to take the whole thing, because it is 71 cents a foot. This one's 98 cents.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, there's cheaper ones?
No, yeah. this stuff is really cheap. This stuff down here.
Oh.
It's only $1.14.
Each?
Just got to find some kind of semi-straight ones.
Doesn't matter, it's going on the back of the...
Yeah, I know. It's just
board.
a space. We could probably just use 3 of them, maybe.
I'm going to paint the board first. So we only painted the edges so that we can put the frame on, and then later I will paint the center. What are you going to do?
45?
45-degree angle? Here we go. Putting the frame on. Paint chipping. So we had to sand it. Hopefully it works now. Hello! Currently Christmas Eve! Wearing my friend's Christmas shirt. Currently in the Del Taco drive-thru. I got out of work a little bit early and my dad and my brother are currently at my house in the garage setting up Eric's Christmas present. And I cannot wait to see how it turned out. So stick around. Can I have a number 8?
Okay.
And then can I have a number 5? And that's it. Thank you. Hi, baby. Riley. Say hi to me, Riley. Riley. Riley, say hi to me, Riley. Is that all of them? That's all that was in the box?
No, that's...
Oh. Whoa, it's all the way to the top. Here's Eric's box of toys. I'm gonna try and organize these because they're all by different categories. Series. Done it now. What's this? Knife burners. Alright, let's try doing that. Organize. Cars, Fast and Furious.
Oh my gosh, that's not inch and a quarter.
Look at the babies. Where are you guys going? Huh? We're not going anywhere. Huh? We're not going anywhere.
You should have put a ribbon on it.
Merry Christmas, Eric!
Oh, crazy. What the? Where'd you guys get that?
I made it!
What? Custom made. I don't know how to make
There's
it.
still more. I didn't have enough cuts. What do you think, Eric?
Super cool.
You like it?
Yeah. Now, that means the whole time I could have been buying more. The reason I stopped buying them is because I had nowhere to put them.
Exactly, and they've been sitting in a box.
Yeah. So now I need to spend $48 more to fill the wall.
This box.
Oh, yeah, there's more.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
But I ran out of hooks.
Alright.
Okay, now you can fill it up. And you can be like, check out my cars in my garage.
Yeah. I gotta collect these in real life. We'll build a garage for those.
Built a garage, he says.
Huh?
Huh? Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.
Bye.